Hello guys, this is Logitech. Today I'll present you my second mouse. I bought it in 2018. I found it in the very nice sale and I bought it immediately. And I didn't feel one bit sorry about it because it turned out to be one of the best mouses I ever had and I still use. And sometimes I don't know which one to choose from my both babies and I switch to them very frequently. That's why I have them both turned on in my computer. I love having two. Okay, this is it. I'm sorry I don't keep the box. I lost it. I would love to show it to you. It's black, normal box. Here is the mouse itself. You can see it. Here we have matte black finish. Here we have glossy finish buttons. And here on the side we have gummy-like material with triangle forms for better finger comfort. Here is the back of the mouse. According to people's opinion, that's one of the best gaming mouse ever released on the market. Right now there is wireless version of this mouse. And there are a couple of more versions after this. This is the basic G502 version. Logitech G502. Then we have G502 Hero, G502 Limited Edition, and the wireless edition, which is the last one, which I really want to buy because I'm very tired of these cables all the time. As you see, the mouse has this 1.9 long braided cable, 1.9 meters long braided cable that you can turn nicely into your computer. It's long enough, even if your computer is at the back, you can still turn it and everything is okay. You can see it's goodly secured against cuts. It's not that easy to cut. I don't want to demonstrate to you if I can cut it because I may do it. In total, our mouse has 11 buttons. I will show you each one of them by clicking it so you can hear the sound of it. Side. These are the DPI buttons. This is the shift DPI button. Here you can see there is a light sensor about the DPI buttons that I don't know if you're able to see, but these are the DPI buttons. These are the these buttons you can customize according to your gamer profile. And this was it. And this is the scrolling wheel that can be, as you see, you can press it center, right, back, left, and you can scroll it very fast or slower. Pretty cool, huh? I really like that. It makes me calm sometimes to do it. It's silver, glossy silver finished. Okay, as you see, you here see the Logitech logo here. That is pretty much the most RGB part of the mouse because I'm RGB freak and everything I have should be RGB. Basically about this mouse, I'm not exactly happy with the RGB because it's only one little logo here that I can't exactly see. But it's still something. Like on my real Steel mouse, it's on my Steel series, Rival 600 has better RGB effects. You can see in my previous video. Because I feel like the RGB there is more like vibrant and you can see it from bigger distance. Here is a little bit more discreet, only in the logo, but this is still good. I mean, it's still okay. And here on the DPI buttons there is RGB also. I don't know if you can see, which shows you exactly the level of the DPI. It blinks in here. I will show you on my Logitech software, so on the computers, all of the settings that you can do with the mouse. Now let's see how much is the weight of the mouse. I prepared this my Lamart unit that is measuring. Let's do it in front of you. Okay, so we have 121 grams in total. Of course, like you can see the mouse is 128 grams itself. According to this weight, you have adjustable weights that you can put here, like the real steel one. You can put here. You have places where to put adjustable weights. You have 5 of them. I think 3.5 grams each one of them, which can increase the total weight of the mouse with 18 grams in total. But sadly, of course, I'm so stupid that I lost them. I don't know where they are. That's why my mouse is just 28 grams and that's it. But you can see the adjustment of the weight here is far more better than the Steel series, because they just fall everywhere. Here you adjust them nicely, like on the center or on the sides. It depends where you want more support and more weight. And look how nice and easy it is to open it with this magnetic mechanism, which also gets included here. Here are little magnets that you can adjust the weights very nicely. They're in separate box. I can show you in the link how they actually look. I'll put picture. Now I suggest we move to the computer so I can show you how to customize your gaming mouse, your Logitech G502. And I want to show you exactly how I play with my favorite DPI shift button, because that's one of the best features in this mouse. You can change the DPI from the lowest setting you put through the app, and you can snipe extremely precisely. That's why we'll go on the computer now. Follow me. As you see, guys, this is the Logitech Gaming Software. Here, it's really annoying that the window is so small actually. But here you can see on the back right my Logitech website. Here we have the mouse. I use it right now. I can't show it to you at the same time, sadly. Here you have what button is what. You see here middle click button, scroll right, scroll left, switch profile here, left click button, right click button, the DPI up, the DPI down. This is the DPI shift. This is the back, forward. And here are the logo with the RGB that you can change colors. Here you have your pointer settings. You can notice my DPI level right now from 200 to 12,000. The DPI can be increased. For example, I will increase it for you now. You can choose a polling rate for your mouse reports per second. 125, 250, 500 or 1000. For example, you can choose 500. This is when the DPI is 12,000. It gets a little bit crazy. Okay, I get it. Then you can restore the defaults. You can choose DPI sensitivity levels. You have 4 number of levels. I'm on 4 currently, but you can decrease it. Look, when the DPI is so high, I get annoyed. I feel like my hand is a little bit spastic. This is 4. Then you can assign default and assign shift. Anyway, I think I am currently on 300, 400, 500 around. Now we go to the RGB section, and you can choose your lighting settings. On the logo and the DPI button, you have the settings. For example, you have breathing effect right now. Here, guys, focus on the mouse. This is breathing effect. You can have fixed color that you can choose from here. Right now it's pink, but you can choose it and make it blue, light blue, maybe green. It's still beautiful RGB. Everything that is RGB is beautiful. No, I know, guys, I have something that I will show you very interesting in my next videos. This is one RGB system that I used for my Christmas tree and that removed from there, so I can use it for my decoration. Very nice red. You can make your custom colors that you can change through the gamer's profile from this button here, as I showed. Now you have also color cycle. You can increase or decrease the brightness of it. Look, I don't even see that brightness, it's so bright. And you can increase and decrease the rate, so it will be more smooth, the shifting of the colors. And you can put lightning sleep timer, which is a cool feature if you ask me. Even though I don't want my RGB never to die. Then if you had pad, you can tune with the mouse. This is the key duration heat map, key press heat map. I think you measure exactly, I don't know what to exactly, key press heat map. Anyway, I don't know what I opened here. Something from the settings, and here are the other settings which have general, analytics, profile, RX control, and developer. Basically, I know this software is more developed on the next mouses from this generation, and this is mainly the main, basically the main thing. You have onboard memory on the mouse, as I said, that use profile stored on the mouse. Now I'm on shifting, and I will show you, I'll open one game so I can show you my amazing sniping abilities using my DPI shift button. You'll love it. That's probably the only reason that I would never change this mouse, and I always have mouse like this in my gear, is this DPI shift button. Now let's open a game. Let me check my settings first, so I'll be sure that everything is alright. Okay, my lowest DPI is 200. So guys, this is my new favorite game, Call of Duty Warzone. You know, it was released recently and everybody got crazy about it. And be sure that in my next video I will present you, in some of the next videos I will present you how to set your settings to have the best gameplay experience of this game with my 1080 Ti. Here you can see that meanwhile I increase and decrease the DPI of the mouse. I like playing with the DPI sometimes, but sometimes I don't know what I do. But something, my spastic fingers just change the DPI during the game, and I lose the mouse out of control, and then I get killed. And I want to kill myself then. Oh, look at my frames, bro. 688. That's not actually realistic, don't worry. I wish it was. But with my settings that I invented, you can go to 150 frames or 140.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
It's Antics. Hold up, prison. Prison.
Disregard left. Battle Royale. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
There's picture on the house. There's nothing.
Why did you jump and not follow your squad?
I don't know. Because I just want to show.
Yeah, but like talking about the stinger one. Then Haley.
Alright lads, let's get it done.
I like closing the door. I don't know what I do, guys, sometimes. It's a little bit late now and I'm a little bit spastic, but I just want to show the sniper. You'll see my amazing games soon, I promise you. I know you can't wait. For example, guys, you want to shoot at something,
Das
and
ist so
I use
lächerlich.
that button now.
Huh.
You see how slow it becomes? Do you see?
Die sind reingerannt.
And now I aim good, for example, there. Do you see, guys? I know there is not a person there, but it's still
Drück dir doch die
okay.
Dinger.
I can just
Die Platte.
wander around and wait somebody to come and I can try to use it. But they hunt me down right now. I mean, I'm such a good player that they always find me. What can I say? I want to go somewhere where enemies so I can show them.
Alter.
Ooh, I survived, guys. Do you see that? You're pro. I'm in Gulag.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
Oh, guys, don't watch me anymore. I got killed for nothing. But did you get the DPI idea? I think you got it. Thank you.